What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be trying something with vinyl. One I've been, wanting to get into. This is going to be my first time trying it. I'm actually going to be trying out Siser Easy Weed brick vinyl 600. I never cut it before. I did my research on it, so I have something loaded into the Cricut design space right now, and I'm going to get it cut out. From what I looked up on it and read about it, I'm going to try and set it to cardstock because it's thicker. You guys can see how thick that is. And it's more of like a cleaner look than puff. And I've been wanting to try it out. So I got myself a nice little roll here. I got it, I forget where I got it from, but I'll leave the links to everything in the description of where I got it from. But like I said, yeah, it's my first time trying this. I want to give it a shot. I'm going to get the heat presses going. I'll get it, show you guys everything I'm doing with the Cricut. And when you're, same thing with the other vinyl, you're going to be putting your shiny side down on the mat. And I'm going to set it to cardstock and see how it comes out. So I'll get everything set up and then we'll get it put on the heat press and get a shirt made up. All right, guys, so I said cardstock in the beginning. Don't listen to that. I messed around with the settings because what it says on their site is cardstock. I think it's like cardstock plus. That didn't work. So I did a couple test runs. So I put it on iron-on plus on my knob on the Cricut. Make sure you mirror your image. I already have a piece cut out. Put my piece on here. Put your shiny side down. Because every time I would cut the cardstock, it was cutting the pieces of the vinyl out. Like it was cutting right through the vinyl. So I messed around with it. So it is iron-on plus. I have it on. Just make sure the settings right on your actual design space. Now I'm gonna load this up, see how it goes. All right. I went on the actual site and I don't know why it says, I mean, maybe it's because this is the Explorer Air 2. Let me move this over here. I'll speed this up in the video. All right, let me see how this weeds out. I've never weeded this stuff out before. I'm gonna leave it on the mat for right now. Definitely harder to weed out. I'll leave all the links in the description where I get this stuff from. I don't even know if heating it up would even help this process out. Let me get this all weeded out and I'll put the camera back on. All right, guys, so I got it all weeded out. It wasn't that bad, but it was definitely not the easiest thing. I'm gonna have to look into more ways to do this. So I got this on a Gildan heavy cotton. Just lint roll it here. It didn't say nothing about a cover sheet. I looked up on Siser, their website. I have my press at 313 for 19 seconds. And it's medium firm pressure is what I have it at. Let's see how this goes here. I'm gonna go 3 to 4 fingers down. Just measure it out, make sure I'm center here. And I believe it's a cold peel, so I'm gonna do a cold peel on it. I got this centered up here. I'm just gonna put it in, just send it. I'm gonna do a cold peel. Like I said before, make sure you put your Cricut vinyl cutter to iron-on plus. That's what worked for me for this. Now we're gonna see what the settings on this. And I'm gonna do a cold peel on it. Okay. Alright guys, so it's pulled up a little bit. I'm gonna throw some parchment paper over this. I'm gonna hit it again. Put it on a little firm pressure, a little bit more firm pressure. Just gonna let it go for like 10 seconds. And then I'm gonna do the cold peel on it. And this stuff seems like it's a pain in the ass to work with. I'm gonna let that cool down and then I'll peel it off. All right, let me try this cold peel, see how this came out. I'm gonna let this cool down a little bit more. All right, I'm gonna try it again. Doesn't seem like anything's coming up. Seems like it's getting easier as it's cooling down. There we go. It definitely feels cool. I don't know how I'm gonna even show you guys the lift on this. You can see it. But I mean, it definitely came out, has like a rubber feel to it. I mean, I like the way it feels. I'll hold this up for you guys at the end. I'll throw it up here real quick so you guys can see it. Maybe you could see how it pops out. hard for my camera to focus in. All right, I'll hold this up for you guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna do more tests on this, but it didn't come out bad. Let me put it up in the camera here, so maybe you can see it. I do like the texture of it. It has like a rubber feel to it, like a hard rubber. I definitely would use this. I mean, but the process of it, letting it cool, I don't know. I would probably do one-off customs with these. I don't know if I'd be able to do huge runs with these. You could, but it would definitely, you know, take up your time on it. You'd be doing a lot of labor into that. I wanted to try this stuff out more too on hats and stuff, just to see, just for my, you know, I want to do just hats, regular hats, and just see how it comes out on them. But this is just a test I want to do. I want to wash test this. I'll probably do an update video after I do a few washes on it to see how it holds up. And like I said on the Cricut, I put it on Iron On Plus. The site, on the Siser site that I saw, it said to put it on light cardstock plus. That didn't work for me. That cut right through it. So I did a few tests until I got this. And you definitely should just let it cool down completely. This isn't anything I feel that you can't just rip off, because right when I started ripping it was still a little warm. It seemed like it wanted to come up, but I let it go and it came out fine. So that was just a quick video for you guys on Siser Brick 600. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.